Welcome back. Now, the verbiage used by Clipchamp for video editing is actually auto-compose, and you're going to see it here in this button here on the front page. And we're going to click on auto-compose, and you're going to see a dialog box. And in order to start the auto-composition, you're going to give your video a title. And Microsoft Clipchamp will allow you to drag and drop or upload any media here so that the AI can use it to compose the actual video. Once you've added your media, you can then click Get Started. Now what's going to happen is that Clipchamp will then give you the opportunity to choose what the style will be, and so you can choose the style. And then you'll be asked whether you want your video to be landscaped or full length. You can choose it. Once you do that, you can then click Next. Clipchamp will give you the opportunity to add in music. You can select the music that you want. Once you've selected the music, you can either export the video or you can edit it in the timeline. Now for the sake of this video, we're going to click Export. Once the video completes its rendering, you can then download it to your hard drive. And your first pass at a video will have been created using Auto-Compose. Now what you can do is edit that video going to this area. We are now in the editing section of Microsoft Clipchamp. There are several elements we can use the AI in order to add to our video. For example, if we go to the Record and Create area, you're going to see that we can add in text-to-speech. What we can do is we can then listen to a voice that we want to read our text.
Choose from a variety of voices to help you create a story worth sharing.
And then we can write in our text so that it will play during our video. You can then play the video with your text-to-speech.
Creating video tutorials is a great way to meet friends and generate income. Create positive moments for people that want to hear it.
So as you can see, we can play our video and we can add in text-to-speech to the video. Now Microsoft Clipchamp does have a screen sharing facility as well as a camera and or screen sharing. And you can create these elements to place them inside of your video. And once you have placed them in, what you can do is you can auto caption what it is you create. Now, as you can see here, we've added an audio clip here in this area. And what we can do inside of Clipchamp is we can go to the Captions tab and we can turn on auto captions. We're going to click Transcribe Media. Clipchamp will produce a caption file that you can download. And it will also, in this right side panel, provide the transcript for any audio or video that you have spoken into the edit for your video. So you can use the AI elements inside of Clipchamp in order to transcribe anything that you create, whether it is audio or video, generated from your camera and your microphone. Now, if you are going to be using the screen sharing or the camera, what you'll notice when you are recording is that Microsoft Clipchamp has an area here called Speaker Coach. You can turn that element on, and basically as you record, the Speaker Coach will be giving you suggestions on how you can improve what it is that you are recording. Now for the sake of this video, the camera is being grayed out. However, we can turn on the camera as if it were on, and we can turn the Speaker Coach on. What we're going to do here is we're going to click on Turn On Speaker Coach. So now Speaker Coach is now turned on. What we are now going to do is we're going to click Enter and we're going to record some video/audio. Recording video tutorials is fun. Recording video tutorials will give you the ability to reach your customer effectively. And once you have completed your video, you can click Review Speech, and the Speaker Coach will give you hints on how you can improve what it is that you are doing. So before you deliver your actual presentation in your video, it's a good idea to use Clipchamp with the Speaker Coach to determine how you can improve. Now the Speaker Coach is also available inside of Microsoft PowerPoint. And if you go to the slideshow area, what you'll see here is that you can go here to this area and this button that says to rehearse with Coach. If you click on that button, then you can allow your microphone to be used. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go through your presentation. And then Microsoft Speaker Coach is going to interact with you in real time. So we're going to allow our microphone to be used. And we're going to go through aspects of our presentation, and we're going to do it so that Microsoft Speaker Coach can work with us to improve our presentation skills. What is Microsoft CoPilot Pro and how can a solopreneur use it? Streamline your daily tasks. Microsoft CoPilot Pro can help you manage your daily tasks by providing an overview for the pending tasks of the day. So as you can see, Microsoft Speaker Coach will allow you to improve your speaking skills in real time.
Want more? Buy the full course link in the description.